Sa kabila ng screenshots issue nina Anthony Jennings at Jamila Jam Villanueva, bet pa rin ng Netflix ang alindog ni Maris. What's up mga ka-showbiz natics? Nandito na naman tayo sa bago nating video. Kung bago ka sa channel na ito, ay pakiclick naman ng subscribe button at notification bell para ma-update sa mga bago naming uploads. Bibida sa upcoming Netflix film na Social Climbers ang dalawang kapamilya stars na si Maris Racal at Anthony Jennings. Ngayon February 28, 2025, number 1 ang Social Climbers nila ni Anthony sa top 10 movies in the Philippines. Positibo naman ang reaksyon ng ilang netizens tungkol dito. 2 months after getting tied up in a controversy involving her on-screen partner Anthony Jennings, Maris Racal is slowly picking up the pieces and bouncing back. Right now, I am more focused in the spiritual aspect of my life, Maris told ABS-CBN News before her departure for Germany to attend the Berlinale Film Festival for her movie Sunshine. I feel like I am more in tune with God now. Just be present wherever I am. Like right now, I'm here being with you, 100%. She said channeled her energies to regain her well-being. She also detoxed herself from social media. Yes, nagbundok ako. I wrote songs. I did a lot of things that could help me with my mental health, Maris said. At the height of the controversy, Maris and Anthony were unable to participate in the promo leg of their MMFF movie, and the breadwinner is with lead actress Vice Ganda. When Maris guested on its showtime, the actress apologized to Vice for not being able to help promote the film back in December. Maris revealed that Vice reached out to her and checked up on her during the challenging time. They made sure I am okay. The priority was to really focus on my well-being. Nagte-text naman kami. She reached out to me. She loves me and I really appreciate it a lot, Maris said. Now the question is, how are Maris and Anthony on the set of Incognito? Right now sa set, we've been really supportive of each other when it comes to the scenes. Like we see to it that we make the scenes as natural as possible still. Like the scenes that we used to do in Can't Buy Me Love, like we still have the energy on set. Focus kami sa work ngayon, she said. We are professional, the actress added. Like I said, inner work. It's really best to be in the tune with your soul, your spirituality so that it reflects on the outside. Asked how their co-actors reacted on set after the controversy, Maris said, they made sure that we all had fun. Sa Incognito naman, nag-resume yung taping namin like as natural as normal as possible. Is Maris friends with Anthony? She replied, we're good. Maris said she would focus on slowing down and reflecting in the first half of the year. Just go with the flow and do my job. Be professional at work. Think forward, looking forward to new projects, she said of her plan. The actress added, thankful ako sa Maris tellers and netizens who sent me love during the most difficult time of my life. Thankful most especially sa fans na todo pa rin ang suporta sa akin. I really appreciate that. I don't see the world black and white anymore. Really learned a lot. Thankful for my inner circle, my family, my friends, my management who really supported me during tough times. Still recovering but head up, she said. Ang Social Climbers ay idinirect ni Jason Paul Laksamana. Nasa cast din nito sina Ricky Davao, Carmi Martin, Bart Bengona, Cheska Inigo, Marisa Sanchez, Raquel Pareño, Pam Arambolo, Tania Gomez, John Silverio, Marnie Lapos, Insi Ranolio, Raul Montesa, at MMFF 2024 Best Supporting Actress Kaki Chudoro. Iyong Incognito na kasama ang Mathon Tandem, nakabalik muli sa top spot ng top 10 TV shows ng Netflix PH noong February 25 at nananatiling number 1 hanggang ngayon. Number 1 ang marathon movie. Number 1 din ang TV series na Bida Sila along with Daniel Padilla, Richard Gutierrez, Baron Geisler, Ian Veneracion, and Kyla Estrada. May dalawa pang pelikulang Pinoy sa listahan ng Top 10 Movies ng Netflix PH sa huling araw ng Pebrero 2025. Nasa ika-5 pwesto ang Hello, Love Again ni na Catherine Bernardo at nasa pansampung pwesto ang Balota ni Marian Rivera. Mabuti at magaling talaga ang dalawang ito, pero si Anthony ang pinakamagaling sa kanilang lahat. Ano sa tingin mo? Deserve ba ni Maris Racal ang mga blessings na natatanggap niya ngayon? Comment down below. Kung bago ka sa channel na ito, please click on subscribe and notification bell para ma-update sa mga bago naming uploads. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye!